Hey guys, welcome back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Today we're going to look into Mythic C2. I know on my last video I did a video on intro to Mythic C2. And I said I'm going to make more videos on Mythic C2. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build your initial payload with Mythic C2 and use it for initial access. One thing I like about Mythic is the way it gets updated every time, and it is very well maintained. So we're going to build a payload, and we're going to generate the payload, deliver it to a target system, basically in this environment, an active directory environment, and we're going to execute this payload on this target system. And we're going to, after executing, we're going to receive or get a callback to our Mythic C2 server. And from there, we can perform more actions, exploitation of persistent. But basically, on this video, we're just going to create and generate payloads and deliver it to our target and execute it. So without wasting much time, I'm going to share my screen right now and we can get it started. So this is the Mythic C2. I've started the Mythic server already from my command line. So I showed you on my last video, you can get your Mythic C2 server started, the command to use. I don't want to repeat that again. If you have not seen that, you can go back to my previous video on intro to Mythic C2. You can easily see that. But on this, I've already started the server. So the next thing is to just log in into the GUI and create our payload. So from the what you're seeing on my screen is these are the payload handles profile that's already installed on this Mythic C2. So we have Apollo payload, agent precisely, sorry. These are all the agents and the profile. So we have with the Apollo agent, Athena agent. I'll discuss. I've not set this up yet. Just installed it first. So C2 profile is working. Yes, this is also a Scarecrow wrapper here that we can use, and also Thanatos agent as well. So, but we're going to use Apollo C2 for this initial access. It's very, very straightforward to use. And also one thing I want to add is that all these agents, they have a documentation that comes with different commands on how you can use their payloads. If you build a payload with Athena, there are some commands that are different from Apollo agents. If you create a payload with Apollo agent, it has its own different commands. So all these have different commands. So you can run targets systems after execution. But we're going to use Apollo agents to create our payload for this video. And to do that, like I said before, my last video, this are a lot of tabs and functions here, and a lot of features that you need to, know how to use pretty much. Well, not very well, but, but it's something, it takes time to understand it very well. Even me, I'm still learning more how to use it efficiently. So, but one thing we get to do, once you log into your interface, go to payloads here, you see nothing is here. So we're going to generate our payload now. So we're going to create a new payload. So it's a bring option of the kind of system which we are targeting. So we are targeting the Windows operating system. We're going to select Windows here. Next. So here it's asking what to build a executable or shellcode or the DLL. So here I'm going to build two payloads here. First one, I'm going to build the executable and also the shellcode. So the shellcode we are going to use a tool like Scarecrow to build it and we change it to a DLL and we execute it on that target. Well, I'm going to build the executable first, and Next, so here, these are the available commands you can run. You can pick any one you like, but I like to just use this feature here. So this will include all the commands here. You don't have to click it one by one. So you just use this option here and to check, bring every command into, or to include all the commands as you can see here. So once we have this, you get this done, then we can next, and we have use this HTTP profile. So I'm going to click on that, and here I'm going to use my Kali IP address. Normally, you're supposed to have like a website or a fake website that you can redirect, or you can use, to know your victims. But here I'm just going to use my Kali IP here. So it's my Kali this is the IP address. I'm going to change to HTTP. So I'm going to read the port as 80. Nothing else to change here. Let's just leave it this way, very basic. After getting this done, we want to we're going to next. So here all you can do is to just give it a name. Payload of here. So you can just call it payload or .exe. So once you put whatever name you want, just create payload. So I'm going to create this payload. You can see payload building here. So let's give it a couple of seconds. Sometimes it takes about a minute or less to finish everything. And once it's done, to give us a notification that the payloads have been built and is ready for download. So I'm going to pause a little bit and come back once it's done. So our payload has successfully built and we're ready to download. So before we download, I'm going to generate the second one. Create a new payload. So you can start over again, Windows, again, next, Apollo, but we're creating a shellcode this time around. So next, same process like the last time. Next, same thing. Next, so you don't have to call it payload.bin. Create payload. So this also will take some minutes to generate. And then of course again, we come back once the payload is done. Our payload has successfully built now, so we can just close this out. And if you go back to the payload here, you can see we have generated the shellcode and the executable here. So from here now, for the executable, you can download this. We download this payload to our Kali system, and same thing goes to the shellcode here. So I'm going to download both. So by clicking this, you can see downloaded second one. So I have downloaded. So let's go to the Kali folder. Here, folder downloads. So you can see both here. This is the payload.bin and this is the payload, but exe. So the next thing we're going to do now is to move this or copy this into the Scarecrow folder to generate it and build a malicious zero with it. For this executable, I can run this on the target system, but for the sake of training and lab purposes, I'm just going to drop it on disk. I'm not going to do anything or do any kind of additional technique on this one. This is just training and very basic training, I would say. So I'm just going to run this on disk. And one thing I like about Mythic, like I said before, it's getting updated every time. And I'm going to share my other screen for the Windows operating system, so you can see how this payload will, get executed, and see how we can get a callback to our Mythic C2. So what I'm going to do now, without wasting much time, is let's create a DLL before I execute the binary. So I'm going to go back to my command prompt here. So payload is on the downloads. So I'm just going to copy payload dot in and put it on the Scarecrow directory /. So this is the directory. I'm just copying it. So I should have it on my Scarecrow directory now. As you can see, I have the payload here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use Scarecrow to review this payload and generate a DLL. We have some arguments that you can use, but this is just the basic argument I'll just use for this. So this is loader, then we're generating a DLL domain. You can use any domain, but don't use anything like Microsoft, because Microsoft, they know the kind of application they design themselves. So if you use Microsoft, it can make some noise, or it can get detected. So just use a domain that's not associated with Microsoft. So you can use it like, and this is the payload, shall make the shellcode I generated. So let's generate a DLL. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to compile and get everything done, but let's give it some couple of minutes. So while it's getting generated, I'm just going to open the target system that I'm going to use here. Well, we're just going to open the command prompt. And we'll put PowerShell here. Okay, it's nice. It has fully generated and gave us this name. So let's check. All right, so we have DLL. I'm just going to change the name to payload.dls. So copy, paste. Let's call it payload.dl. Okay, we have the name ready. So what I'm just going to do now is to move these two payloads into the target system. I'm going to execute both. So let's see how it's going to behave with Microsoft data protection on. So I'm going to share my screen. Again, I'm going to stop and share the other screen. Yes, give me a second. Stop sharing. Share again. So here I'm going to sharing multiple screen. So you should be seeing two screens right now. So what I'm going to do now, just to open the folder and just drag it instead of setting up a pilot server. Just drag it to the desktop, can execute from the desktop. So the first one is on downloads. Okay, let me move. Let me check Scarecrow first. So payload.dll, I'm just going to drag it into the desktop here. You should have it here. So it's here on the desktop. So the second one, let me see. So before I drag the second one, what I'm just going to do is to run this first and let's see the results before I move the second payload. So let's go back to callback. Well, let's see what happened. You can get a callback. So from here, I'm just going to run the DLL. Let me just not bypass it. See, and let's run the payload with. I'm going to use Reg SBR32. And then it'll see. So you can see from the left screen now that I got a call back after running this payload. So I have a call back right now. So I interact. Okay, let's just try who am I? Sure. Let's wait. So you can see this is what I have on this operating system. So we got have our callback by executing this payload. So the next I'm going to do now, I'm going to drag the executable again, the second payload, which is in the downloads directory, payload.txt. I'm going to drag it to the desktop. Let's show it here, and I'm going to run it like that to show you that the real-time production is on. I'm going to show you here. You can see the real-time production is on. So let's try it out. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to double click on this payload and let's see if we can get a callback. As you can see, we have a second callback on this target system. And from this target system, as you can see, we have both payloads executed and we have our callback. What I'm going to do now is I can kill it. Let me close it, kill it. I want to run it as an administrator so we can get a callback with an administrator privilege. So you see we have a second, you can see that you have something like a red, the keyboard's changed to red here. So it shows high integrity, or you execute with high integrity. So that's why it's showing red here. So there are a lot of features on Mythic that you can explore, and as we proceed with this, training and demonstration, we can see more actions from, this, how powerful this C2 is, and we look into more, ways you can explore this C2. So we have our initial access on the target system. The real-time protection was on, nothing was disabled. So on my next video, I'm going to continue with this I'll continue where we stopped today. We're going to look into different ways you can, maintain persistence, operate persistence with Mythic C2 on this target system. We're going to explore different kind of Active Directory attacks, and using this Mythic C2, Kerberos thing, token impersonation, things like that. So we're going to explore all these as we proceed. But yeah, guys, this is what I want to show you on this video. So this is more focused on generating a payload and getting initial access on your target system. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share and like at the same time. And also give your comment, give your feedback. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.